Alright guys, today we got a 2013 Lexus GS350 and we're going to change this air filter. It's located right here, so it's going to be a 5 to 10 minute job, very simple. All you're going to need is a filter. I'm going to give you a part number and you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Alright, the part number is PA6103. Alright, this filter is not too expensive. When you're doing this, make sure you replace the cabin filter inside. I'm going to do a video on that also. So I'm going to bring the camera closer and you're going to see me remove the clips over here, okay, with this flathead screwdriver. Alright, so you do have a missing clip on this car right here. So if there was a clip there, you will remove it in the same manner as I would remove this one right here, right? So all you do is, you push down on this and the clip comes up. That's how simple it is. Push down on that and pull up the clip. Same thing here, push down and the clip comes right out. These are special clips. You're not going to find them in AutoZone, Pep Boy, okay? So try not to get those clips from AutoZone. They're usually wrong 99% of the time. So 1, 2, he's missing here. 1, that's no problem. But this one, all of it on here, same thing. Push down on it and it comes right up. And then you should be able to remove this cover right here. And then you'll have access to the fuse, not the fuse, the air filter housing right here. Alright, so on the filter housing, you have 1 clip, 2 clip, and 3 clip. And then you're able to lift this up. And then it might have 1 more back here. There you go, that's 1 more. That makes it better. Alright, so put this screwdriver to the side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my filter ready. Hopefully it's the same, okay? Sometimes they send me the wrong. You see this? So it looks right. The corner is a cutout. Alright, so we're going to lift this up. You're going to pull out the filter. And it looks dirty down there. Alright, so this filter got to go. If you see dirt, leave. Just vacuum it down here or just pull it out. This one looks pretty clean. So I'm going to take a new filter, drop it in really fast. Make sure you get all the edges. And once your filter is in, we're going to close up the lid. And it's good to go. There you go. Alright, and then make sure you close up these clips here, all 4. And you're going to take your cover here, you're going to put it back in the same direction you took it off. And you take your clips, put them back in. To put them back in, you're going to have to push them outward, like just like that. You just push it further than the head here. And you close this up. And you push down on it lightly. You do the same thing for all 3 clips. If you have all 4, do the same thing for all 4. And this is the last one. I'm going to put that on the side. Alright, so I'm going to take my camera. I'm going to show you the last clip because I know the camera cannot see that far. So that's this clip right here, right? So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.